What is market equilibrium? A market is in equilibrium if at the market price the quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied. The price at which the quantity demanded is equal to the quantity supplied is called the equilibrium price or market clearing price, and the corresponding quantity is the equilibrium quantity. Market equilibrium is achieved when the demand for something is equal to the available supply. Explore the notions of supply, demand, and equilibrium in economics applied to real-world examples, including a flight ticket, will be explained in this video. At each price, the sellers decide how many units they want to offer or supply at each price, and the buyers decide how many units they want to buy or demand. Generally, an oversupply of goods or services causes prices to go down, which results in higher demand, while an undersupply or shortage causes prices to go up, resulting in less demand.
The prices of flight tickets to several destinations in Sabah and Sarawak have dropped ahead of Hari Raya Aidilfitri, which will be celebrated on May 3rd. When checking on the website of 3 airlines in the country, it is found that the price of one-way tickets from Kuala Lumpur to 5 destinations in the 2 states is declining for flights between April 30th and May 2nd. This is the table explaining the price drop of one-way tickets from Kuala Lumpur to 5 destinations. Question: discuss what would happen to the equilibrium price and quantity in the market for aircraft tickets to Sabah and Sarawak if supply increased faster than increase in demand.
This is graph explanation. The graph shows the effect on market equilibrium when the increase in demand is smaller than the increase in supply. D0, D0 and S0. S0 are the original demand and supply curves. Price 0, P0 and quantity 0, Q0 are the original equilibrium price and quantity. Smaller increase in demand compared to increase in supplies is shown by the shift of the demand curve to the right from D0 to D1. D1 that is smaller than the shift of the supply curve to the right from S0 to S1. The equilibrium point will shift from E0 to point E1. Consequently, there will be a small decrease in price 0P0 to 0P1 and a large increase in quantity from 0Q0 to 0Q1. Increase in demand that is smaller than increase in supply will result a small decrease in the equilibrium price and a large increase in equilibrium quantity. Summary and conclusion. If a market is not at equilibrium, market first tend to move it to equilibrium. Let's break this concept down. There is an inverse relationship between the supply and prices of goods and services when demand is unchanged. If there is an increase in supply for goods and services while demand remains the same, prices tend to fall to a lower equilibrium price